In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download KineMaster app on Android. If you're looking to start editing videos on your phone, KineMaster is a popular, beginner-friendly choice with powerful features. Before we begin, make sure your phone meets a few basics so everything goes smoothly. You'll want an Android device running version 7.0 or higher, a stable internet connection so the download doesn't pause or fail, and enough free storage space to install the app and save your projects. If you're unsure about your Android version or available space, you can quickly check those in your phone's settings. And if your connection is spotty, moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or switching to a stronger network can help. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you safely find and install apps. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type KineMaster, just like that, and let the Play Store display the results. Now, look for the official listing called KineMaster Video Editor. The developer should be shown as KineMaster Video Editor Experts Group. This helps you confirm you're getting the genuine app and not a lookalike. You can also glance at the app icon, overall rating, and number of downloads to be extra confident you found the right one. Tap the app to open its details page. Here you can read a quick description, check screenshots, and review what's new in the latest version. When you're ready, press the Install button. The download will begin, followed by automatic installation. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and available storage. If you see a message about storage being low, consider removing large files or unused apps you no longer need, then come back to the Play Store and try again. If the button says Update instead of Install, it means you've had KineMaster before. Tapping Update will get you the latest version. While it's installing, avoid interrupting your connection to keep the process smooth. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch KineMaster right away. From here, you can start a new project, import clips, and explore the editing tools at your own pace. That's all you need to download KineMaster on Android. You now have a powerful video editor ready to go on your phone. If this helped, feel free to follow along in future videos where we'll dive into creating your first project, trimming clips, adding music, and exporting in the right quality for sharing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing with KineMaster.